For our pistol squat, you're going to bring one foot up in the air, planting the other, and you're going to drop your hips back and down into a squat, and then pull yourself back up. If you want, you can hold on to your extended foot. Sometimes we don't have the mobility to do that though. I find it easier. You can use the momentum at the bottom with a little bit of a push to get yourself back up. Or if you want to try to go smoother, it's straight down and straight back up. Make sure your core is tight throughout the entire movement and your chest is staying as tall as possible.